flight was never on the same court. Them guys, not I. Before you judge a book.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and I don't even know why I forgot to post this, so thank you so much for your patience. But I just wanted to show you guys how I'm going to do my own hair trim to get rid of my dead ends. So if you guys know, I am a hairstylist who believes in healthy hair. So yeah, even though it looks okay, I was noticing that there was some like splitting on the left side of my head, as you can see towards the bottom. And what happens if you don't cut your split ends, once you like see them or start noticing, it'll cause like even more split ends, and then it'll split up to where you can actually see through the hair. So we do not want see-through hair. I want everything to be pretty much nice and full. So what I'm doing is, I already washed my hair off camera. I'm just blow drying my hair out, not super straight, just straight enough to where I can get a nice shape, and trimming my hair. And now I'm just using my mirror. I was in my salon suite, so I'm just sectioning my hair. I'm just going to cut my hair section by section, and then once I'm done, I'm just going to use my mirror to clean up the back. I'm not really good at explaining how I cut my own hair, because I cut my own hair very differently than how I cut my clients' hair. The reason being is because I only use one mirror most of the time, and I can't see behind my head, so I do what works for me. But typically you just want to go in, pull your hair out or pull it down, either at a 90, which is straight out from the scalp, and just make sure that you're cutting a straight line anywhere that you see those jagged and thin ends. So just watch as I trim my hair, and you'll pretty much just see what I'm doing. I wasn't even going to post this for real, but I'm like, you know what, let me just go ahead, and that way we can track my growth. So I'm going to press my hair out probably in like another 2 months, and I'm like, you know what, when I'm ready to wear my hair out, I don't want it to be looking like super split and dry, so let's take care of it now. I'll just leave it up like in a natural style, and then we'll revisit this in a couple months, and then it'll be nice and healthy when I do want to wear it out, versus me waiting and then it splits more and then I have to take more hair off. So a little goes a long way. And yeah, just making sure that my ends don't look crazy, because sometimes they can, they split and things happen and life happens. So you just want to make sure that you're taking care of your hair. So that's like my goal for 2023, is just to take care of my hair a little bit better. And here I'm just detangling with my comb, as you can see me struggling, and then I'm just going to pull it down. I was trying to pay attention in the mirror, and I recorded this video just for my own records, but then I was like, you know what, I'll post it for you guys too. So the bottom is a little bit hard for you guys to see, but once I get towards the top, it'll be so much easier for you guys to see what I'm doing. So just enjoy me trimming my hair, and then I will put in my end result at the end. I did not press my hair, simply just trimmed my ends and then just left my hair blow dried, so that way I could braid it up and put a wig on. And then I just kept it moving. So I did put a snippet of this video in my last video of me putting my wig on. However, I didn't put the tutorial of actually me like doing the whole entire trim, because it just was super long. So enjoy this video, and I cannot wait to post some more content in the upcoming weeks and just give you guys a life update. Life has just been lifing, but I hope everybody's having a wonderful 2023 so far. And with that being said, enjoy the video and drop a comment down below if you missed me. All right, so everybody have a great day, and I'll catch you later. And it is Friday, period. So enjoy your weekend as well. Make sure you take time to yourself to disconnect, and also spend time with friends and family, which I plan on doing. And I'm celebrating my nephew's 2nd birthday tomorrow, so I'm very happy, if I can speak, for my nephew Christian. You guys already know, like, the whole before and after with my sister being pregnant. I have videos of her on my channel when she was pregnant with him and my niece. So it's just awesome that like he's here and I get to celebrate with him. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for being patient and for supporting my channel. Enjoy this free like DIY how I trim my own hair video.
That's what's so bright. That's why smoke boy. That's why smoke boy. That's why smoke boy.